play on Oatmeal Raisin Day. Okay, here's the problem, guys. I've made some oatmeal cookies and I forgot to put the raisins in them. So I need your help. So what I want you to do is I want you to get some hula hoops and lay them out a distance away from you. And then I want you to get some beanbags. Now, if you don't have beanbags, that's okay. What's really cool is you can make them pretty easily with a lot of different things. You can make them with popcorn kernels, you can make them with beans, or you can use rice, anything like that, and sew them up, and then you've got beanbags. What's even cooler is you can also just use a sock. Stick the beans or the rice in the sock, tie the sock off, ta-da! Now you've got a beanbag. Now, these are your decorations. What kind of things do you put in your cookies? Do you put chocolate chips? Do you put raisins? Do you put cranberries? Do you put cherries? Do you put walnuts? What do you put in your cookies? Doesn't matter. We are putting beanbags in our cookies today. So you are going to take your beanbags, choose where your start is, and then you are going to try to decorate your cookie. You're going to try to put as many beanbags into your cookies as possible. Oh, that one flew right out. Now, to add a little challenge to this, maybe you have to get a certain amount in your beanbag or in your cookie. Yes. That one bounced before it got in the cookie. Does that one count? I don't know. Or maybe you have a certain spot that you have to run up to before you can throw them into the cookie. Maybe you have beanbags to decorate that cookie, beanbags to decorate this cookie, and beanbags to decorate this cookie, and they can't mix. Maybe you even have to do it in a certain amount of time before the cookie gets finished baking, right? So time yourself, see how quickly you can put all the beanbags into your cookies. Decorate them. Oh no, I missed! So try your hardest to get your cookies decorated in all these different ways and see if you can have some fun decorating your oatmeal cookie.